Yo, see no bumbo clock data them here. And every time when they go miss uno, I call me if you put them up on internet. See no data here. See no data them here. They hide from blood clot road at even time. When you forget on the yard, you know they are fall with blood clot, man. Go on the yard, girl. Go on the yard, man. Every time when time you can't find no data them. You stress me out for post them up on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and beg people for carry them back. So no dirty pitney them here from when school over and then they are fall up with man. They now got their yard. They now go home. Rain a fall then they are with man. From there rain a fall. See there? Look how the place wet. And the daughter them they fall out, they now come at their yard and every minute as soon as they go missing, you know ask them to put them up because you want to find them. You know don't cry to me, call you dirty daughter them out their yard. You know nasty pitney them. Call them phone and make them come at their yard. I'm tired of them little dirty girl here daytime. I'm tired of them little nasty girl.
Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel. So this man people, him catch school kids in the middle of the night, you know, turn up a couple man them people. And them no one go them yard. So that's why a lot of females I get report missing because after school, you know, when them supposed to go home, you know, them not have no evening class, you know, say school upon lockdown, you know, because you know, say we are going in a summer. So most things we are going to school are like exam and graduation. But as I say, this man of people, himself Jerry Chicken, and most familiar with him because him did make a video about Andrew Wellness, or towards Andrew Wellness, but him say, yo, every time when a female come missing, you understand, them always are sending pictures and videos for post because them want to find them pitney, but the man say, yo, him tired of it because much a clock in the night, my people. Them look at two school girls, you understand, turn up with man. What them could have possible I do them at time of night when them feed them yard. And as on watch the video, my people, when me just previous show, on the can see oh, some look up pitney, some look up pitney we're supposed to go at them yard. And that's why as me say a lot of them get report missing and then the next day you hear say oh them find them back because guess what them do now? Them gone at them friend yard, them gone at them boyfriend yard. Them gone at them man yard because them parents, even though if them parents tell them say if you come home, some of them feel like say yo, them a big woman and them not take no talk from them parents. So if them want to sleep out at night, them just sleep out. So when the parents get worried and I look for them, can't find them, the people, the parents feel like say yo, something happened. You understand? In the case that something that really happen, you know, them just gone at them man yard or them friend yard. Gone chill out and I do big people business with people. That's why some of them end up pregnant, you understand, and drop out of school. This not look good, you understand. So the man have to rush them out with kid and I say, yo, parents, so no pitney or not report missing, so no pitney away, no one come home at night time. So no pitney when school over, much a clock at night, them dip on the road people. And no one go because of our friends, because of the man where them claim say or them love or the man where them claim say love them my people. The little kids are underneath you do better man. Go on the yard when school over and come off of the road.